Garmadon's forces are attacking the city, Lloyd.
Jay, tell me something I don't know. Garmadon attacks like every week. We've got this.
Good morning, Ninjago. You ready to be conquered?
Hey, Garmadon! Ready to suffer yet another humiliating defeat?
Whoa! I am too good.
A couple more bad guys incoming.
The citizens in danger.
Clear your schedule, Jay. We've got to take down those mechs.
It's Mia. I love my job. Such grace. Such confidence.
Ah, such a show-off. Oh, one already is. I have been programmed to kick butt.
Hey, why were you doing all the work? Where's my home?
Hey, there's Kai and Cole! Where are our mechs, Kai? You called them in, right?
Yeah, I might have put a pin in the wrong place on the map.
How wrong?
Barely any wrong. It's like an inch away on the screen. Come on, Cole. We can get to them on foot. This should only take a minute.